Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of two of the most buzzed about AI app builders in 2026, Base44 and Lovable. These are the tools that promise to turn your words into fully functional software, no coding required. But are they worth your time, your money, and your product's roadmap? That's what we're diving into. Let's get started. We start with Base44. Base44 is a platform that lets you build fully functional apps in minutes just by describing what you want in natural language. If you've ever wished you could skip traditional coding and just tell a system, build me that app, Base44 tries to deliver exactly that. Here's how it works. You type what you want, like make me a subscription tracker with user logins, analytics, and notifications. And Base44 AI interprets your idea and generates the app structure, UI, backend, storage, authentication, and more. Base44 also handles hosting and deployment for you, so once it's generated, you can publish almost immediately. It's designed for non-technical builders and early-stage founders, meaning you don't need to touch a single line of code. Base44 has been adopted widely and was even acquired by a major company for its potential to accelerate no-code development. Now on to Lovable. Lovable takes the idea of AI-assisted development a step further. It's not just a prompt to app builder, it's a full-stack, code-exportable platform that blends AI with production-ready workflows. Key idea here is you chat with the AI, it generates real code, both front-end, back-end, database, authentication, and everything in between, and you can own and export that code. Now here are some standout features with it. It uses modern frameworks like React, Tailwind CSS, and Supabase for backend services. You can export to GitHub and continue development wherever you want. And it includes a visual editor, a collaboration tools, and one-click deployment. Where Base44 aims to just build the app for you, Lovable gives you the code and the architectural control to take the project further. So let us talk about the products in details. We start with Base44. Here are the main features. Natural language prompt to full app creation. Built-in hosting and backend, no separate setup required. Authentication, database, analytics, integrations included. Templates and starter projects for common app types. And for Lovable, natural language app generation, full stack code outputs, React backend via Supabase, visual editor for layout and component tweaks, GitHub integration and code export, and one-click deployment with custom domains. Team collaboration features and role-based permissions are also included. Lovable is not just ideal for prototypes, but for real building and for building reusable code bases that can be extended long-term. So what is the pricing of both platforms like? For Base44, there's a free plan where you have access to all of Base44's core features at no cost and you can see what it can do. You have a limit of 25 message credits per month and 100 integration credits per month. And there's the starter pack at $20 per month, there's a builder pack at $40 per month, a pro pack at $80 per month, and an elite pack at $160 per month. These prices are applicable if you choose to pay yearly, but if you choose a monthly subscription, the prices go up. How about the pricing for Lovable? There's also a free plan where you get few credits, basic credits, up to 5 daily credits and up to 30 in a month. And you have 5 Lovable.app domains. And there's a pro plan at $25 per month, a business plan at $50 per month, and an enterprise plan that is custom based. Lovable's pricing covers unlimited users on the team, which can make it more cost effective for collaborative builds. So what are the pros and cons of using these platforms? We start with the pros. For Base44, extremely quick app creation for MVPs and prototypes. One-stop experience. Hosting and backend included, affordable entry price and solid free tier. And the pros of Lovable? Full stack code generation, you own your code. Visual editor with chat prompts that make editing intuitive, and it is great for teams because there are shared plans and roles. And the cons of Base44? Limited customization and integrations compared with Lovable. Vendor lock-in, the apps are tied to Base44 stack, and a few reports about stability issues from users. And the cons of Lovable? The pricing is slightly higher than that of Base44, and some users report bugs or pacing issues with heavy use. it is not ideal for full native mobile app generation. So which is the best in 2026? Here's a balanced approach. Choose Base44 if you want to rapidly prototype a proof of concept, or if you're a solo founder or non-technical user who doesn't care about deep custom code, or if you want built-in backend and hosting with minimal setup. But you should choose Lovable if you want code ownership and exportability, you're building production-grade apps and not just prototypes, or you're working with teams or planning long-term development. And that's it on the comparison of Base44 and Lovable. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Cursor, Bolt.new, and Blink.new. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.